This first question for Bro Man.
Good.
What are a few things you think that upcoming streamers focus too much on, and what should they be focusing on instead?
Okay, so I think that everybody focuses on over-designing their channel, right? You focus on like your overlays, your camera, how your camera looks, how your audio sounds, all this other stuff. And people will spend and I've talked to people, like they'll spend months designing all this stuff and they'll never actually stream. So what's important is the content and you. So you need to get on there and start streaming.
You. This is such good advice. I don't know if you were just watching, bro. I literally asked my team if we even had a logo in the icon. That's how much I believe in what you're saying.
Yeah.
I'm like completely the reverse. Like doing is what matters. Like everybody over designing their channel is just excuses to not do.
They're trying to find like this secret sauce.
People that say they're a perfectionist are full of shit. They're a I don't want to do shittist.
I would agree.
Yeah. Okay, keep going.
Yeah. So don't over design. Just focus on doing. And the second thing is you really need to focus on whoever shows up. That person is your best friend. Like they're your best fucking friend.
Whoever shows up to
watch you, your
100%.
first viewer. Like I remember my first viewer's name.
Which is?
His username was BlackRyan92. And he hung out while I was playing Lego Lord of the Rings on my second stream ever that was not with like people from the forums. And we talked about his job and how much he liked burritos for 2 hours.
As you were talking and he was texting back in the chat.
Yeah, he was talking in the chat.
I'm getting up my, I know it, but I just want to know everything.
Yeah, we weren't on voice.
Now I've started. Now I'm not just flirting. Now I'm going to know every little thing.
But so the more you invest in that person, the more they're going to come back. And then they're going to tell your friends.
Do you know that I replied to every single person that hit me up on Twitter from 2009 to 2012?
I did know that.
All of them.
It's impressive as shit.
Thank you. It's what you have to do. I'm so pissed. Everybody wants to have more followers, yet they take the 137 they have for granted. How the fuck do you think you're going to get more? You need those 137 to be the ones that get you to 1,000. How'd you find me?
I found you because of my friend, Kevin.
Exactly. I remember from 2 minutes ago. That was me making a point. That wasn't an actual question. And so
sorry. One thing you learn the more you're on Twitch is you're going to get the same question over and over.
100%.
But they definitely want the answer. Yeah.
Does that make sense to you, brother?
Yes, thank you.
But I think the other thing is, and I don't have advice. This is an intuition from super afar. I do think that people think too much about creating and not enough about documenting. I talk up to my audience about this a lot. To me, it's just like the natural things that are happening in your life at that moment are just so much of the ammo, and people get crippled of like, I'm going to make it awesome so people tune in.
Does not have to be awesome.
I don't see it.
Especially on
if
Twitch.
You're lucky enough, especially if you're lucky enough to be good.
Oh, yeah.
Like if you're lucky enough to be good at, let's not forget what people are watching. Like obviously personalities can carry, but like being good at a game or having a unique twist on things clearly is a big part of the action.
I'm like occasionally good, but like not being good all the time. Like that's so key. So when I started,
thanks for calling, brother. Have a great day.
No problem.